We're here at the Midway Ice Castles. It's a magical place. Just make sure you remember to bring boots and gloves because despite the fire-like lights behind us, it's pretty cold and you walk around in a lot of snow like this. So my lack of boots was not, well, thank you, was not a good idea. Goodness, it's the double slide. Let's go.
Should we race?
No, because I'll lose. However, we should slide together. Because you know what they say? Couples that slide together stay together. Yeah! A throne! Look, it's a throne.
Oh, wow. Okay, you need a picture in the throne.
Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
I'm a little cold, but my heart is warm with such a great experience.
Oh, yes.
Oh, what a night.